Hi there, welcome to Love Life. In today's fast-paced digital world, finding the right balance between work and tech can be challenging. Constant tech use can take its toll on our mental health and productivity. But what if I told you that there's a simple yet effective solution? Enter mindful tech breaks, short pauses designed to rejuvenate your mind, boost productivity and overall success. Let's explore why these breaks are essential for your well-being and how they can revolutionize your work routine. What are mindful tech breaks? Mindful tech breaks involve consciously stepping away from your digital devices to engage in activities that promote relaxation and mindfulness. Picture this: instead of mindlessly scrolling through social media during your break, take a stroll outside, practice deep breathing, or enjoy a cup of tea. By intentionally disconnecting, you create space for mental clarity and rejuvenation. Benefits of mindful tech breaks are tremendous. Research shows that incorporating mindful tech breaks reduces stress, improves focus, and enhances overall well-being. For example, Sarah, a graphic designer, started taking short breaks to stretch and practice mindfulness. Not only did her stress levels decrease, but her creativity and productivity soared. How to take mindful tech breaks as part of your routine. John, a software developer, found success by setting a timer every hour to stand up, stretch, and gaze out the window. These small breaks not only eased eye strain but also prevented burnout. Consider finding activities that resonate with you, whether it's a quick meditation, a brisk walk, or even a few yoga poses. Tailor your breaks to suit your preferences and work environment. Students may take mindful tech breaks during study sessions to improve focus and retention. These breaks allow them to absorb information more effectively, leading to better academic performance. Setting boundaries with technology is crucial for a healthy work-life balance. Consider Emily, a marketing manager, who decided to establish tech-free zones in her home during specific hours. This not only improved her family relationships but also led to increased productivity during work hours. Remember, mindful tech breaks are about creating intentional spaces in your day for rejuvenation. Crafting a personalized tech break plan is essential. Mark, an entrepreneur, found success by creating a daily schedule that incorporated short breaks for mindfulness. By aligning his breaks with his natural energy fluctuations, Mark maximized his efficiency and creativity. The key is to experiment and discover what works best for you. Watch the video above for specific techniques on timing and length of breaks for maximum productivity. Of course, challenges may arise. Dana, a content creator, initially struggled to disconnect but found success by gradually incorporating shorter tech breaks. Overcoming challenges often involves adapting the concept to fit your lifestyle. By starting small and gradually extending your tech-free moments, you can overcome resistance and make mindful tech breaks a sustainable practice. Now, I want to hear from you. How do you currently manage your tech breaks, and what activities rejuvenate your mind? Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's create a community dedicated to fostering productivity and well-being. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your life. Until next time, stay mindful and stay productive.